Hi, my name is Michelle Mailer from Circle of Healing Essential Oils. I like to teach classes about how to make your own aromatherapy items, and today we're going to be talking about how to make an aromatherapy spray, in particular one that will help with killing airborne germs and bacteria and viruses, and also for spraying surfaces, your hands, and other things. So we're going to start out with a few basic things you need to make a spray: a bottle. And I have a little spray top for my bottle here. And I like to use an empty bottle to start with so that I can put my essential oils in there one at a time and then mix them together. If you're using a blend of essential oils, you can put your water in first or your essential oils in first. You want to make sure that essential oils are pure, undiluted. Sometimes oils will come in a base of jojoba. Things like rose and helichrysum and sandalwood, frankincense, some of the more expensive ones. But most of the regular, less expensive oils will come in a pure form, but you just want to read the bottle and make sure that they're pure. Here's a few different brands that I like to use. This one, the orange, is one that I get through VitaCost, which I get my vitamins from them, and they have a lot of different nice brands of essential oils online, since a lot of people are ordering things online right now. This one's orange, which is a great germ killing and antibacterial in the air kind of a oil, and it smells really nice, and it's good for keeping you uplifted and positive. All citrus oils are good for that. I also have some lemon oil whoops, that's not it. I have some lemon essential oil too that we'll talk about in a minute. So this essential oil blend that we're going to make today is going to be a thieves blend, which is lemon, cinnamon, clove, rosemary, eucalyptus, and frankincense. And I think I'm going to add a little orange to it as well, just to make it a little extra special. There's also oregano in the blend that I'm going to use today, which is a very wonderful antiviral oil. So this is a bottle of Now lemon essential oil. This is a pretty good brand for using for sprays. It's not my favorite for massage oils, but I do like using that brand for when I'm making sprays and sanitizers and things like that. And it's a little less expensive, which is nice if you're on a budget. So the first thing I'm going to do actually today is put a few little crystal mixing beads into my bottle. All I use in my sprays are essential oils and distilled water or spring water. You don't have to use any witch hazel or alcohol or anything like that to make a spray. You can just use water and essential oils. So I like to put a few little mixing beads in, and they have to be clean. These have been washed and dried, and this helps the water and the oil mix together. And it also helps to add a little extra energy and magic to your spray with the qualities of the crystals. And then the third thing that it does is it helps with a little bit of sound healing. So I'm going to use a quartz crystal, an amethyst, and let's see, rose quartz in this one. And then you can see this makes a lovely little sound. Sounds really cool when the water's in there too. And it also helps the oils mix together when you put them into the bottle. So I'm going to put in, like I said, I was going to use a little bit of orange. So we're just going to put a couple drops of this orange oil. This is organic orange oil. You don't have to have organic essential oils. I just like to use them. So there's 3 drops of orange. I'm going to do a drop of lemon. Oh, that was 2. So I'm going to write down 2 when I write down how many I put in. So we had 3 orange, 2 lemon, and then I'm going to do a couple of, this is a blend of the thieves that I talked about with the cinnamon, clove, lemon, oregano, rosemary, eucalyptus, all mixed together. So I'm going to do 5 drops of that one. So now we have about 10 drops of oil in this bottle, and that's a really nice strong spray amount to have 10 drops in a 1 ounce bottle. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but 10 drops in 1 ounce is a very strong antibacterial spray. For like a room spray, you would actually only use about 5 drops of essential oil in this size of a bottle. So now that I've mixed those together, I'm gonna warm them a little bit up in my hands. It's called synergizing. When you warm the oils between the palm of your hands, it actually mixes them together so that they become a new blend, kind of like musical instruments in a band. So the instruments sound very different when they're separate. When they're together, they make something new, and the essential oils do the same thing. So now that I did that warming, synergizing, I'm going to add my water, and I'm not going to fill it all the way to the top because I want to leave a little room for the sprayer. So I'm just filling it up to the hip of the bottle here. And this is just distilled or spring water. Oops. Don't do that at home. And then you put your spray top on, screw it on real good, shake it up. And once you shake it up, it will stay mixed, but you can also just shake it whenever you're using it to, you know, activate it and make it wonderful and magical. And then once you have mixed it all together, you can spray your hands, or you can spray around you. Don't spray it in your eyes because it does have cinnamon and clove in it. But you can spray it around your head. You can spray on door handles or countertops, bathroom surfaces. I like to spray the toilet handle a few times a day during, you know, times of sickness and things like that. So that's how you make a spray. Very simple. About 10 drops of essential oil for a strong disinfectant spray. Or if you're just making a room spray with, say, like lavender and rosemary to smell good and be calm and focused, you can use about 5 drops per ounce. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you again for another one. Thank you.